got another question for you lot. Let's get into it.
ACB. Is that you, yeah?
Right, so this is from Lene Andrews. How many freebies should you do before charging? Are freebies necessary or do they devalue you? Freebies are good if they benefit you. If your friend is throwing a party and you've never DJ'd before, do the booking for free. Get the experience, yeah? Because in this game, you need to have experience before you start getting paid. So get experience and get experience of DJing in front of people. It's a whole different ball game than just playing in your bedroom. When your friend now asks you next year to play again, you're in demand now. He's coming to you now, so now you can charge him. Don't let him be like, oh, you done it for free for me last time. Nah! Listen, do the first one for free because it's going to benefit you because you're going to get the experience. And then if he tries to get you to do it free again, keep the friendship, but just keep it moving, man. Look, you're out here to make some peas and your equipment ain't cheap. So don't do it for free unless it benefits you. So another scenario is clubs. Clubs are more likely to let you come in and DJ if you say you're going to do it for free. In order for it to benefit you, you need to make sure that you shut it down. So say you're going to do an hour or two for free. In them 2 hours, make sure you prove yourself. Don't go there and do some bullshit and not prove yourself. Go there and give them a reason to start paying you. A freebie to get into a club is beneficial to you, so do it, but only do these freebies once. If the club calls you back, you are now in demand and they want you because you are good. Now you can start talking money. Do not do too many freebies. They don't devalue you unless you started making money. So say for instance, you started making £300 per booking and then someone goes, oh, can you just do this one for free? Don't do it for free. That's devaluing yourself. Once you start getting money, don't go back to freebies unless it's going to benefit you. Say for instance, you're in a club now and you're getting bookings, but you want to move on to another club. Do the first hour for free. Again, prove yourself why you are worth that money and then get into that club. But do not do too many freebies. I'm telling you now. Don't let your friend be like, oh, coming is for me, la la la. Nah, your equipment costs money and this shit ain't cheap. So make sure that you do 1 or 2 freebies if it benefits you, and that's it. That's my tip. If you lot have any other questions that you want me to answer, hit me up in the comments below. But yeah, I'm DJ CB and we're out.